In this video, I'm just going to be showing you how to get rid of this old sort of duct tape residue. We had some duct tape on the wing, and you can see it's left some of the residue behind. Yeah, we'll be just trying to get rid of that in this video. Okay, for this I'm going to be using just some cellulose thinners, just to take off all of the remaining residue. So I've got my cloth that I'm going to be using. Put some of the thinners onto the cloth. Just dab a couple of dabs on. You can see I've put some on, and yeah, already you can see it just melting away, or I don't know if that's the right word, but just breaking down the residue. It's almost taken out any light scratches I did have on the wing as well. Like, look, it's all basically gone. There's a couple of bits where the tape was still a bit stuck, the tape itself, but yeah, that's basically all gone. That is basically all gone. All the last remaining residue I had on the wing, that's all gone now. And that literally took 3 seconds. You've seen me wipe it on. I literally started breaking it down as soon as I started wiping it. And yeah, that's it. It's done. And there's no residue left on it whatsoever. I'm going to be wiping it down, giving it a quick polish as well, just to remove any residue from the thinners. But yeah, I'm going to be doing the same on this side. You can see there's a lot of stubborn residue more so on this side, where I had bumper mounted. But yeah, so same again. Just put a little bit on the cloth. I do. There's a couple of dabs there. And I look straight away. I started breaking it down, and it's all gone already. All the main bits. Now just where the actual tape itself is still stuck. But yeah, you will need to give it a polish after. You can't just leave it like this. But yeah, any light scratches I had of where there's paint come off from something else, that's all come off nicely now. But yeah, that's that. And it's all done now. There's no extra residue left on there anymore. I'm going to be giving it a bit of a polish. You can see there's a bit of haze left on the wing. But yeah, I'll give that a quick polish and that'll come out nicely. That's all done now in a couple of seconds.